Yeah, so it started all in 2018. So that time, finally the day is here when we're gonna talk about
Our love story.
our love story. Thanks for the background music.
Dun, 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 dun.
Drum
Okay,
roll.
thank you so much again, guys, for 1K subscribers. And as we promised, when we reach 1K,
We will upload our love story vlog, how we met, what we do, and where it all started. And
so here
Yes.
we are. And yes, when we come back with the time, it's like
so it all started in 2018,
yes.
and
Go
thank
for
you.
it.
Yeah, so it started all in 2018. So that time I was into modeling and acting, and that time she was also into modeling, and she is also now into modeling through one agency. So I applied, and she also applied to the same agency. So we got an offer to be a model for Honda in the Auto Expo 2018, and like we were representing Honda bikes. It was a modeling contract of 7 days.
Yes.
It was for 7 days. So at first place, I didn't want to do this job because it was very hectic. It was a 7-day contract. I had to live somewhere in Noida for 7 days.
You were staying the time in a hotel, and
It was not. Don't say hotel. This is hotel.
No, so like one room we were staying like
My
3 or 4
washroom,
people.
my washroom in this hotel didn't even had door. So
That day was like the first day we had like
the meeting was there.
yeah, the meeting was there.
That day, I don't know if she noticed me or not in this meeting, but I saw a girl walking like from the door into this hall where all the models were sitting, and she was like, she came. Nobody, like everybody, you know, when there is a model, when someone's a model, so already has this arrogance and attitude, like okay, I'm a model, but everybody has this arrogance. But when I see this door open and the girl enters and says, "Good morning," and I was like, one person I saw who doesn't have attitude, and that too a model. Wow. Everybody else had, I don't know, 1000 level of attitude. So I didn't felt like talking to anyone even there. But hello. So I just eating dinner normally at this hotel, so-called hotel which we were given, and suddenly a girl approaches me from back and she says, "Excuse me?" I was like, "Yes." She was like, "Do you know timings for tomorrow?" I was
By
like,
the way, guys, it was not something that I wanted to flirt, you know, or something this and that. It
yeah,
was nothing
yeah.
like this, nothing, because
she just approached me because I was looking like charming guy without attitude.
Yes.
So then we had a small conversation there at the dinner table.
Not a small conversation. I just asked you about the timing. You just
Uh-huh.
called. You don't even told me the wrong timing because the right timing was different. But
Yeah.
okay, I just left to my room. The next day we just started normal work.
Then I approached her next day.
And suddenly, I don't know, the topic started.
Yeah.
About
so
my
there,
eyes.
Yes. So
She
there,
thought that my eyes are not real. I mean, this color of my eyes is not real.
because everybody was wearing fake eye lenses there, so I thought everyone has fake eye lenses. And then when I saw her eyes, I was like, wow, is this like actually real, or like what lenses are you wearing? So
And I
then,
was like,
so from here
no.
our conversation started building, and then I came to know that she's from Poland, and she came to know that I'm an Indian, I'm Punjabi, and she is from a different religion, different country. She's a Catholic Christian. Then when the Auto Expo finished, like the last day of Auto Expo, and we looked at each other, I was like, okay, so what do you like? Would you like to go out for a coffee or like a small date out with me, like sometime whenever you are free out of work? So then we went out on a date, and our first date was in Select City Walk. If she allows, I will put a picture also of her first date, and then from
We're
there.
just meeting normally, talking, and just knowing each other more and more.
Yeah, and then slowly our relationship started building. We got to know more things about each other, and to be very honest, the thing which I learned the most in this relationship is that love has no boundaries. It seriously has no boundaries, no gender, caste, color, creed, anything can stop you from loving anyone. When I told my like parents initially that, like, you know, I am meeting with a girl and she's from a different country and completely a different religion, so they were very supportive in this, that it's okay, like, for what you are even hesitating even once, that okay, she's from a different country or culture, the person has to be good. That's the only thing they said to me. The person has to be good, otherwise other factors doesn't matter at all.
No, but you know how it's in India, all this about this intercaste
Exactly.
and all.
So when
still
so
happens.
few of our friends also are with some Indian guys, and they have faced a lot of problems with their families accepting each other, like being like
Because in India, it's also a problem with different castes. Imagine different country, different
Exactly.
cultures. So
Exactly.
This is
So touch wood, in our case we didn't have this problem that our parents or something. So we are right now just like getting to know each other more.
I wanted to say that, like how we started this channel. So
I was
that
wrong. Exactly.
So basically, like,
So, no.
realize that okay, I know that there are a lot of the things. A lot of people think like okay, different cultures, different countries, like everything is so difficult to manage, and
Yes.
it's like
But
complicated.
especially when it comes to religion, when it comes to culture, when it comes to
everything, there are many
food,
factors.
many factors are there.
So we decided that why not show people
Yes.
that it can work.
It is
like, actually,
practical. It is practical.
Yeah,
See,
complications and
It just- it-
obviously it's not everything perfect, but we
Yes,
have
yes.
to get know each other,
I mean,
learn
see,
a lot.
is
We
it-
have to be very patient with him.
Yeah, and also the second reason for starting this channel was that wherever we go, we just wanted to explore things together. Like, I have traveled sometimes alone. She is traveling since I don't know how many years alone. But the thing is, like, alone is not fun. Like, when you don't have a good company, it's not fun to explore anything new.
So that's why in our channel we want to show you everything, like how we're cooking together, showing mixing of different like cuisines, different countries, like different cultures, and like that we can just I'm
Like two
really
cultures-
learning so much, learning a lot, like about Indian culture, about the religion, about so many things. Really, I'm learning so much. He is also learning a lot. So
Like, I've learned even Polish. So difficult to learn, but I'm still learning a little bit.
So we are just trying to show you guys that this is like nice thing to mix, and like every day something new, every day learning something different.
And on our channel, we just want to tell everyone that our channel will give you a nice dose of happiness, a dose of
Positivity,
positivity,
yes.
and you guys will see like, very clearly from our videos how two different, completely opposite cultures can even blend with each other and create like something very nice, kind of a mix. If you love anyone, just go for it. That's what my advice to all single guys out there.
Yeah, and if you are guys interested, what is this view behind us? And we are in very beautiful place, and
Very beautiful place.
it's just
And
amazing.
oh,
I feel my one of my favorite places here and in India.
Mine
so-
also, without any doubt. And this kind of views, the view from certain places here was like just out of the world. You don't even feel like that you are in India.
Yes. So if you are interested, which place is it? Just watch our next vlog.
Yeah, because we have shot a very nice series here of few episodes where you will explore this place. You will know each and every detail from
It's
which
just
hotel.
this place from our eyes, like
From our eyes. Discover with Discover Genix, baby.
yes.
Different-
Our schedule was very tight. We were just running here, there,
She
rushing.
planned a full page.
No
Okay.
time for anything. It was just planned to every 5 minutes here, but
Exactly.
just everything done just for you guys to record, to do nice shots, and to
Exactly.
show you as many places as we could.
And we really hope that you would enjoy it,
Yes.
and you would love this, and you would keep supporting us the way you are. So please bless our channel with hitting that subscribe button in the corner.
Subscribe kar do, like kar do, and share kar do.
So we hope to see you guys soon in our next videos, and please keep supporting us, keep loving us, and just keep watching
You
Discover
can just
Channel.
write. You can just write in the comments, guys, which place we are.
If you are right, then we will hit like on your comment and reply back. We are doing with everyone, but
Yes.
your will be faster reply within 1 minute.
Okay. Thank you so much again, guys. I hope that you
Actually, we are running very late, so
enjoy
we'll end this
our
vlog
love
here.
story and yes.
How we met and how everything is, and we just now leaving because we have to explore few things more for you guys and record few more videos for you guys.
Bye.
Run.
Bye bye. Let's go.